According to the Georgia Electrical Code, or GEC, arc fault circuit interrupters, or AFCIs, are required for all 15 amp and 20 amp branch circuits that supply outlets or devices in bedrooms and dwellings. However, the GEC provides an exception for existing dwellings where the wiring was not originally required to be protected by AFCIs. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, which serves as the basis for many state and local electrical codes, does not specifically address renovations involving only the replacement of breaker panels. However, the NEC does provide an exception that applies to alterations and additions to existing dwellings. The NEC exception 680.7b states that alterations and additions to existing dwellings shall be exempt from the requirements of 680.6b, which refers to AFCI protection for bedroom circuits, where there is no evidence of improper or unsafe wiring practices. Based on the exception provided in the NEC and the fact that the existing wiring in the public housing units was not originally required to be protected by AFCIs, it is likely that you are not required to install AFCIs as part of the panel replacement project. To confirm this interpretation, contact the local code enforcement office and provide the following information. Firstly, provide a description of the renovation project, noting that it is a panel replacement only. Secondly, offer evidence that the existing wiring does not show any signs of improper or unsafe practices. Thirdly, supply technical documentation or electrician's statements explaining why the installation of AFCIs on the bedroom circuits would be unsafe. The Code Enforcement Office will ultimately determine whether or not AFCIs are required in this case.